Hello all, this video will be dealing with the application procedures for students to choose their favorite course in IHRD College of Applied Science, Natika. So, before choosing the college, you need to know more about IHRD. Here, I'll be directing you to the website of IHRD. Please type ihrd.ac.in. This is the official website of IHRD, the Institute of Human Resource Development. It is an autonomous educational institution established by the Government of Kerala in 1987. We have got 87 institutions under IHRD. We have 9 engineering colleges, 8 model polytechnic colleges, 45 colleges of applied science, 15 technical higher secondary school, 2 regional centers, 6 extension or study centers, and 2 model finishing school. All these colleges of applied sciences are affiliated to either of the 4 universities in Kerala, namely University of Kerala, Mahatma Gandhi University, Calicut University, and Kannur University. Our institution, College of Applied Science, Natika, is affiliated to University of Calicut and is offering 2 UG and 2 PG courses, namely BSc Electronics, BSc Computer Science, MSc Electronics, and MSc Computer Science. We have secured top ranks in the university level for UG as well as PG courses. Our students have secured first rank in MSc Electronics in the year 2015. Our students have also secured first and second rank in MSc Electronics in the year 2016, and our UG student has secured 8th rank in BSc Electronics in the year 2020. We have a very good placement record also. Our students are placed in TCS and Wipro. CAS Natika is situated in Thrissur district and the nearest bus station is in Tripayar at 3 km distant, and its nearest railway station is in Thrissur and it's 26 kilometers distance from the institution. Now we'll be getting into the admission details. For getting admissions to these courses, an applicant has to visit the university portal in order to create a CAP ID. So you can go on to the admission portal. You can click admission.uoc.ac.in, and next your procedures are, you can click on the UG Admission 2021 Apply Now option. In order to create a CAP ID, you have to click on the option Apply Now. After choosing the option Apply Now, you will be directed to this page where you need to fill all these fields about the registration, your personal details. After filling all the fields, you can click the Register button. After this, you will receive a message with CAP ID and security code. So, before applying to IHRD colleges, you need to know certain details about the distribution of seats. Let me explain. Every year, students are admitted to these UG and PG courses by the university and IHRD. The distribution of seats being 50-50% basis. The sanctioned strength for each BSc courses is 36 and it is 10 for each of its PG courses. Out of these, the university is admitting students to 50% of total UG or PG seats in the college, that is 18 seats for each UG programs and 5 PG seats for each PG programs, including all types of reservation seats, as per the reservation rules set by the state government for its higher education institutions. The admissions are purely on merit. IHRD is admitting students for rest 50% seats, that is 18 seats for BSc Computer Science, 18 seats for BSc Electronics, 5 seats for MSc Computer Science, 5 seats for MSc Electronics. The admissions are purely on merit. The college has got some reserved seats for sports persons who have been meritorious for the period of their previous course of study. The admissions to these sports quota seats are done on the basis of recommendations from the District Sports Council. It has got some seats reserved for students from Lakshadweep Islands. Now we'll continue with the student login. Click on student login. You will be directed to this page where you will have to enter the CAP ID which you have received before, then the security code, and then you can log in. After that, you need to fill on the personal details, qualification details, college course details, preview and verify the details, and last, the fee payment. After that, you can print the application form. This is how you can apply for the university seats. Now, the procedure for applying to the seats reserved by the IHRD, that is, you can use the website ihrdadmissions.org, where you can click on New Registration, and then you will be directed to this page where you can choose undergraduate degree, choose the university, University of Calicut, your name, your gender, your date of birth, your mobile number, your WhatsApp number, and your email with the address for communication, your category, whether general, ST or SC, your father's name, your father's phone number. At least you should make the first choice, that is, you can choose College of Applied Science, Natiga, and you can register. This is how you can register for the seats reserved by the IHRD. Completing your registration process, you will be receiving an application number through your email, and it will be also visible in the screen. Then you can go on with the registered applicant option. Here you will have to log in and choose the university, your registration ID, and then your date of birth as password, and after that you can log in. After that, you will be directed to this page where you will have to fill your personal details. You can choose the reservation, whether you have any reservations, and then you can enter your mark details. After that, you can select the course and then make your fee payment and then submit your application after you have done all these. Now, I'll explain it to you in detail. In the column personal details, you will have to fill your name, your category, your date of birth, gender, nationality, etc. And then you have to save it. And after that, go for the reservation and choose the option yes or no if you have any reservation, and then save the field. And after that, you will have to enter the mark details, and remember, in this section you will be asked for the CAP ID which you have reserved before, and after that filling all these details, giving the marks and all, you have to click the save button, and you can choose the college, that is College of Applied Science, Natiga. You can select a course, that is BSc Electronics or BSc Computer Science, and then click on the option add, so that the College of Applied Science, Natiga will be added to the list. After that, you will be directed to the fee payment, where you will have to pay the fees, that is 350 rupees. Registration fees is for opting each college is 350 rupees. So if a student has applied for any number of programs in 2 colleges, then he or she has to pay 350 into 2, that is 700 rupees. In case of SC or ST, they have to pay rupees 150 for each college. Online payment for each college to be done separately for avoiding any complications. After the fee payment, you have to submit it, whereon you will be getting a transaction ID with a DU reference number and a transaction date. You have to fill in the respective columns and then click submit. After that, you can download the application PDF, which will be necessary at the time of admission. Now, let me tell you about the fee structure. The first semester fee, that is 15,700 in total, along with the tuition fee and student amenities fee. But in total, with the admission fee, that is 300, and the caution deposit 1,000, in first semester you will have to pay 17,000 in total and 15,700 for other semesters. Classes will be regular or online depending upon the COVID situations across the state and the lockdowns declared by the state government from time to time. In addition to the online theory classes, online practical demo classes also are conducted, and during the unlocked period of time, the students are asked to attend practical classes offline at the college following COVID protocols issued by the state government. Help desk facilities are available in the college for its UG admission, CAP ID registrations, and for its online admission processes from 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on all working days, that is from Monday to Friday. For UG admissions, you can contact 9544148949 and 8547005057. The vision of our college is to develop into a center of magnificence by producing professionals with technical excellence from whom the society can not only gain but also foster. The mission of College of Applied Science Natiga is to open new vistas for developing the passion of students, thereby assuring a career by preparing them for being competitive and committed professionals through affordable learning environment. So I welcome you all to this lush green campus.